So in this video, I want to give you 5 tips on how you can maximize your Roth IRA account for wealth generation. Now, a lot of people know that you can use your Roth IRA account to invest in public equities like Apple stock, Microsoft stock, and index funds. But what people don't know is that you can use your Roth IRA account to invest in private businesses. And that's what a lot of the billionaires do. They use their own Roth IRA accounts to invest in startup. Now, why would you want to invest in a private business? Usually the return is higher and the opportunity for capital appreciation when it comes to the share price, it's also higher. So for example, some of the early Facebook investors actually use their Roth IRA account to buy shares at a discounted price. And then later on, when Facebook went IPO, that led to a huge increase, and the Roth IRA account was worth well over $1 billion. Tip number 2. Now, in order for you to invest in private businesses and startup using your Roth IRA account, you need a couple of things. First, you need to know companies that are raising capital. For example, my company as a startup is currently raising capital. Second, you need to have a brokerage account which can hold these shares for you. So in my case, I'm working with Alto IRA, ALTO IRA, to raise capital, and they will be your custodian and hold these private shares for you. So when you receive monthly dividends from private businesses, it will go directly into the brokerage account. So for example, Alto is like Charles Schwab, and then you can do whatever you want with it, like investing it back in private equity, or you can invest it in the public markets like index funds or Apple stock or Microsoft stock. Tip number 3. When it comes to investing in private businesses, you want to invest in someone that you can trust. So you want to do your research on the founder, what kind of business it is. And right now, the business that is very hot is AI driven businesses. So for example, you can think of it like OpenAI, you can think of other AI agents company that is very worthwhile in investing. And for my company, it also has a very strong AI element to it, where we use AI to optimize portfolio and basically developing an algorithm for investing. So we use a very AI data driven approach to investing. So a little bit about my background. I'm the founder of Investing Accelerator, and I'm also the chief data scientist of the company. So I use AI to develop algorithms to basically buy and sell public equities in the market. And my goal in the future is to start 2 hedge funds in 2026. And that's why we're raising capital in preparation for that. The final tip here is that when it comes to investing in a private business, it needs to be not your own business. So you can invest in a startup like Facebook when it was small, or like my company when we're still raising capital and growing, but you cannot invest in your own business. So that is one of the restrictions that you need to be aware of. And there's also a couple of other regulations that you need to learn more about. So if you're interested in learning how I use AI to invest in the market, how I'm raising capital for my startup, then you can click on the link below to attend a free webinar, AI-driven investing, and you'll see a very data-driven approach and how my business works as well. So within the webinar, I also share my financial projection, how I plan to set up the funds to help Canadians and Americans in North America to better their retirement, and how you can get monthly dividends as an early investor as well. So if that is something that interests you, you can click on the link below and you'll automatically be signed up to the waitlist when I launch the hedge funds as well. So I'll see you in the webinar.